Well, you guys have known, traditional AI note taker that comes, in the form of like card size where you can, attach it to the back of your phone itself. All right, but those things are not really practical in general usage. If you're using it like in social settings, you're gonna just bring up your phone and start recording, or you're in the gym, or just working out, all this and that. You're gonna carry these kind of things around possibly. All right, but there's another kind of note taker which is currently on my wrist right here, which is this thing is called the Memoket Gem. So which is really, really awesome, or it's a really, really lightweight AI note taker that synchronized with your phone, so you guys can do like transcription, summarizing, to-do list, all this and that. They have also integrated with a lot of third-party software like your Google Calendars or ChatGPT, all this and that, which is really, really cool, which I want to talk about later on. But then let's take a look at this tiny thing right over here. So yeah, I have a wristband over here. So if you're getting this, they do come with the wristband as well. All right, but if you're wearing a Apple Watch, all this and that, well, they also do come with a Apple Watch type of wristband where you guys can attach this, all right, the Memoket behind here, all right, and the Apple Watch at the front. So yeah, so you guys can use it to integrate with your Apple Watch as well. It's really cool. All right, but you're not wearing any Apple Watches, or you guys can use it as a wristband itself. All right, and this device is right inside here, so you just pop it out of the case itself. All right, it's just as easy as popping it out. Boom. Okay, just pop it right out of here. And yeah, it's this tiny device right over here, right, which is really, really powerful. All right, they can record audio of up to 16.4 feet, which is really, really far. Even in the meeting room, we can capture audio in a huge meeting room really clearly, which is really, really amazing. All right, which is, you guys can see, shiny at the back, all right, and metallic at the front, which is really, really cool. So they have a mirror finishing at the back as well, which is really, really nice. All right, and this thing only weighs 0.4 ounces, which is really, really lightweight. All right, so if you're wearing this on your wrist, you wouldn't feel anything at all. So this tiny devices can record audio, which is really, really cool. All right, and to record an audio is really, really simple. All right, you just have to press and hold this button over here for 1 second. Let me just press and hold for 1 second. You feel a single vibration and the light will turn red. All right, I don't know if you guys can see. All right, the light will turn red over at the other side. And the other side means that it is recording right now. So whatever I'm talking right now, it is being recorded. All right, and you guys can speak anything, right, on your wrist, and talk about anything at all. All right, you guys can use it connected or even not connect to your phone, because it will save to the internal storage itself. And when you connect it to your phone, you auto transfer it and do the transcribing, all this for you. And once you're done, recording whatever you want to record, all right, just press and hold the button again for 1 second. You will feel 2 vibrations, which means, and the lights you guys can see has been turned off, means the recording has stopped, which is really, really simple to start and stop a recording. Right, and all I have to do is just to pair it with your phone itself to do any transcribing. So once the recorded audio is done, all right, and if I go to the app itself, it will start synchronizing and transferring it. So like I said just now, I was recording it without it being connected to my phone, and now it has been connected to my phone already, and it will start synchronizing and connecting it, and it will start transcribing the audio, converting speech to text, and give you like a summary or highlight, as you guys can see. All right, the transcript itself, but I didn't really speak much, so you have nothing for a brief outline. All right, but you guys can see the whole transcript itself. Really cool. You can also even play back the audio itself. All right, you can enable AI voice enhancement. All right, the light will turn red over at the other side, and the other side means that it is recording right now. So yeah, you can see it's really, really clear. The audio recording is amazing. All right, and I've actually did a recording previously when I want to my to-do list for this week and next week. So these are the things I want to do. You can just take a look at the transcript first. You guys can see. All right. I basically just talk about what I need to do, what I want to do for the next few days or next week as well. All right, and you can also identify different speaker, but which is just me speaking. So just speaker A, which is me only. So what are things to do, all this and that, and they can auto auto create a brief for you. As you guys can see, these are all the brief. I want to work on revamping my JForce group website. I want to create there's 2 more videos I have to make, or I need to submit an appeal, all this and that. All this, it created a to-do list from what I just said, which is really interesting and really amazing. And you guys can also create your own template based on what kind of things you want to create from the audio transcript. So for example, if you want to create a financial plan, because basically your audio is about some financial planning, all this and that, maybe like buying houses, making loans, all right, for car down payment, all this and that. Well, you guys can also use this for like a financial plan, so they will have a template for you, so it'll be a nicer layout and and more well structured. So they have a lot of different templates for your different needs as well, which is really cool. And you guys can also discover certain things that you want to use it for certain templates as well. All right, and also you guys can also integrate with any other third-party apps. Like over here, you can see there's integration. You guys can integrate with Slack, the workspaces, Notion. You can integrate into Google Calendar. So like whatever the to-do list I said earlier on, you auto add it to my calendar, so you know which date, when, or next week, or what should I do, this and that, which is really, really amazing. So you can make your workflow much more simpler and much more easier. All right, so you have a few different integration you guys can add it to. All right, you guys can also have summary preference. You guys can choose between different AI models as well. You guys can choose which AI model. If you have a specific preference for certain AI models, what you guys can choose over here. They have a lot of AI models for you to choose from, and they also can have different supported languages as well for your transcribing and AI summary as well. You guys can see they support a lot of different languages over here. All right, I think basically every single languages known to human, well, is over here. So you guys have your own favorite, speakers. All right, and they have speaker labeling as well. So you guys can have speaker A, B, C, D, and how many people is able to identify different people, which is really cool. All right, you guys can have a weekly reports. All right, I don't have enough data yet for weekly reports. All right, and it's not even the whole week yet. So they will summarize your whole week and what has been, all this and that. So you guys have a clear, feature of what you want to go and what you want to do for the next few weeks. All right, so you guys can see what you have changes, what you have to do. All right, you guys can also plan for this discussion. All right, you guys can unlock memo chat, and you can use AI to talk about certain things, all right, that you have done before. You guys can see, you guys can ask anything about certain recording or anything in general. You guys can do that as well. It's really, really cool. And you guys can also start recording directly from your phone itself just by pressing the plus button. All right, you'll start recording, and you guys can see on the Memoket itself is recording already. You guys can see. All right, so you will start recording. You can control it with your phone if you want to. All right, you guys can stop, or you guys can press the capture one. You guys can take a photo of certain place as well, and you can just stop it whenever you want, and it will just stop. You guys can see, you can still feel the vibration itself, and the vibration is really, really strong, so you can feel them whenever you start or stop recording, so you know when to start and stop recording, which is really, really awesome. So you guys can see. All right, they already created a transcript for me, so it's really fast, super amazing way to record your audio and transcribe it. Especially, meetings is really important and all this and that. You don't really have to, write down the meeting minutes, all this and that. Well, with this one, you can basically create a meeting minute for you, which is really, really amazing. And you can just put this in your wristband as well. And these tiny devices also supports a lot of different other accessories that they have as well. So you guys they also have the necklace accessory, so you can wear it as a necklace itself. They also have the clip-on accessory as well. So yeah, you guys can have multiple ways to wear this thing, and whenever you can just wear it around. It looks like a very nice accessory too as well. You guys can see, well, it looks really nice accessory too. It just looks like a smart band, all this and that. All right, it looks really, really modern. They come in a few different colors as well. I think 2 different colors. For mine, it's the light gray one. I think they have darker black one. I'm not so sure, but you guys can check out their website. All right, they have 2 different really amazing colors, and you guys can just wear it. So like I say, all right, you don't have to have like those AI note taker that is attached to the back of your phone. This one, you guys can record it whenever you want. It's more convenient rather than you taking out your phone and press the button to record. This one, you can just anytime when you're running or doing gym, and you can just like press and hold. You can feel the vibration. It start recording now, and on my phone it also shows that I'm also recording at the same time. So you can just talk and have a conversation with anyone without feeling like you're holding a phone, all this and that. Like people may feel like detached from me if you're talking talking to someone, all right, and you're discussing some really important things, all right, and you know they wouldn't know that you're recording it, so it's really, really cool, all right. And yeah, so once you're done with a conversation, maybe with your boss or like your colleague or like, you know, your subordinates, all this and that, and you're done with the meeting and all's good, all right, you can just press and hold this, all right, you can feel 2 vibration, recording has stopped, and done, you are done, all right. And people wouldn't know that you have recorded the conversation, and it can turn into really interesting meeting minutes and save you so much time. So this is a really, really awesome product right over here, all right. And yeah, this thing also can last up to 20 hours of battery life, so you don't have to worry about it running out of battery halfway during the recording, because they have a plenty of, you know, juice, all right, to power up for your whole day of recording, which is really, really cool. All right, and they do also come with a charger as well as a magnetic charger, all right, and you just need to attach it at the back of your devices, and the charger is really strong. You guys can see, all right, it's not going anywhere, all right, so it's a really strong charger, and you can just charge this using any USB-C outlet port itself, so you can just charge this right away, which is really cool. So yeah, so I was thinking of getting this, all right, Memoket Gem, all right, you guys can check out the first link in the video description down below and get this product for yourself right now and start recording your audio and start making your life much more simpler and easier with this little tiny device right over here. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. Find today's video really interesting and really helpful. Do give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you have any other interesting products that you want me to review in the next few videos. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. And once again, check out this, all right, Memoket, all right, Gem. You guys can check out the first link in the video description down below and get this for yourself right now. So that's all for today, guys, and this is 𝖩force Gaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.